So we're going to click done there, and that's our first little lesson completed. So again, we can rotate our object round. This is what this one's telling us. We can move our objects on an axis. Okay, so to do that, we can click on any of these little rotate icons here. So you can see I've got one at the top here, and if I rotate that one, it's going to take our shape onto its side. Okay, and if I rotate this one, it's going to take it around the centre axis. Okay, you will have noticed there when I was moving it that the two objects are actually separate from each other. I think, oh no, we've just got two of them. Okay, so again, I'll show you that again. So we can rotate it like that from side to side, or we can rotate things like that, which can help us when we are designing our product. About rotating just there on the instructions. So if you get stuck, you can always look at those instructions and it tells you what to do. That's the next little bit completed. We'll continue on to the next one. So moving an object. Okay, we can move an object on the z-axis up and down, or we can move it on the x and y. Okay, so if I grab this one here, I'm just going to move that one out of the way. And I'm going to grab this one. So we can move it on the x and the y, so that's side to side. Sorry, it keeps duplicating these shapes. And if we want to raise our object off the ground level, if we click that little cone, you can see we can lift that off the surface. We can take it below the surface, and we can alter how we're going to do that. Okay. So if I wanted to put one on top of the other, I could copy that one and paste it, so I ended up with two. If I select my view to the front, I can then raise that up, and then I can move that along so it looks like it's on the top of the other one. Okay. And then lastly, we can look at how we can scale an object. Now I have talked about this one briefly. Okay, so the little handles, we've got 4 black ones and we have got 5 white ones. Okay, so the white ones, if we pull those out, it sort of drags it in all directions, whereas the black ones will stretch it in any direction. The little white one on top changes the height, so we can have that high or low. And if you hold your shift key down as you are scaling, it keeps it all uniform in size. that's the end of this little video. I will do another one just to show you how to actually build the Japanese building.